Reliable data pipelines are essential for businesses that depend on timely and accurate information. Ensuring consistent performance and uninterrupted data collection is critical for maintaining operational efficiency. Data scraping pipelines can experience failures due to changing website structures, network issues, and performance bottlenecks. These challenges often result in incomplete data, slower processing, and increased maintenance efforts. To address these challenges, Blackoffer enhanced the InstarentScraper pipeline by improving its reliability, optimizing performance, and strengthening automated data collection workflows. The platform continuously collects rental data, applies optimized scraping and processing techniques, monitors pipeline health, and automatically handles failures to ensure stable, high-performance data ingestion. Key features include optimized data scraping pipeline, improved reliability and stability, automated error handling, performance optimization, continuous data collection, scalable data processing. The solution increases pipeline reliability, minimizes downtime, improves data quality, and enables organizations to collect and process rental data more efficiently.